Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, today I'm going to create a comment card template in Microsoft Word for customers to provide their feedback about the service quality of a business company or institute. You will learn that how easily you can design it in just a few minutes. Watch this video in full, and if you think this is helpful anyway, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Let's start the video now. So open a new one and go to in layout. In size, you can see the more paper size in here, and give the width in 5 and height 7 inch. Then and the margin use 0, also left 0, and bottom should be 0 and right should be 0, and press the OK and ignore it. So now it's here. Then go to the insert bar in shape. From shape, take the rectangle and draw in document, and then use the edit point. Let's see here. Edit with the edit shape, and you can do with this, just simple. Then change the shape fill. You can use as you want. I'm using the one. Shape outline, use the way I'm using little bit, and change the shape outline color, the one, and copy it, Ctrl C, and paste it, Ctrl V. Here's the another, duplicate it, then take it down, then rotate it as the flip horizontal. You can use the one and use the flip vertical, use, and take it little bit down, or you can resize it. Also top one, you can resize it. Then go to the insert bar, and here you can insert text box. Insert a text box and write service quality. Resize it with the normal. Use the like 20. If you see here, take out a little bit top and take out the shape outline. Use the non-outline here. Then go to again the insert and use the insert text here. Resize it and write full name, then phone, then email, date and time, and resize it and take out outline here. Then go back again the insert and insert a text box and write here, please provide your feedback on the quality of our services. And what you can do, you just resize it and take it a little bit top. And what can you do, just take out again the shape outline, no outline. Then you can just take in the center, then go to again the insert bar, and here you can in down go to table and go to the insert. You can take it in little bottom here and resize it. And write excellent, very good, average, and I can just recorrect it, average and poor, and I can delete it. Just click right button and delete the columns. You can move it a little bit in here and resize it. Then design little bit with the color, table design, go to, and you can use the shading, the one, and what color you can use. So I can use the okay for now. Then go to again insert. In insert you just click on it and use the rectangle again and use the one. Just you can shape it the one and shape outline with the black one. So let's see, and use copy it and paste in here and move it a little bit. Again copy and paste it. So I can copy as here, and again copy it and paste in here, and go to again insert and it's the text, and use the text, simple text here, and just write and keep it down the little bit down, and write the and use the normal. Do you have suggestion on what can you do? Provide. Just keep it little bit down and resize it. Then use the font 10 so it will be fixed. Then take out the shape outline, no outline, and do it little bit down, resize it, and again go back to in the insert and use the shape, use the line. So from here just you use and copy it, Ctrl C and use the V. So let's see, so I can use this thing, and you can see now is kind of the service quality feedback page. Then what can you do? Just go back again in the insert and use your addresses here. If I take this one to town and here, and use the phone number here. If I say contact and use the like, then you can use the insert and go back to the insert, and you can use the same icon and also use the text box, and with the text box use as email for your client for your feedback. If you want to design this feedback or comments card for a company or business, then insert a logo on the place in top you can use, and you can use the text. If for your company you can use in here, just insert from here and insert the text box, and you can write about your company. Thank you for your time to watch the video. If you have enjoyed our effort to create this video, then please do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.